In this chat, we're talking about how your tire inflator might slow down over time and what to do when it starts feeling like it's dragging on filling up your tires. So, if you've noticed your inflator isn't pumping up your tires as fast as it used to, you're not alone. These tools can lose their punch after a few years, especially if you're using them on bigger tires like trucks or SUVs, which really demand more power. One quick tip is to check the battery life, because sometimes it's not the inflator itself but the battery that's running low, especially if you're using smaller batteries like 3.0 or 4.0 amps instead of those beefy 5.0s or higher. Also, keep in mind that some inflators are just designed for light use, like on motorcycle or small car tires, so don't expect them to handle heavy-duty jobs perfectly. If you're thinking about upgrading, look for models with higher PSI ratings and faster fill times. These usually have bigger motors and better battery compatibility. And hey, if your current one still works but is slow, try giving it a thorough clean or check for any clogged air filters or hoses that could be slowing things down. Lastly, having a backup inflator in your trunk or garage is always clutch for emergencies, especially if you drive a lot or have multiple vehicles. One of the biggest mistakes folks make with inflators is assuming all models work great for every tire size, which just isn't true. Using a lightweight inflator on big tires is a recipe for frustration. Another common issue is not monitoring battery health. Old or weak batteries deliver less power, so swapping in fresh, high-capacity batteries can make a huge difference. And lastly, some people forget to maintain their tools. Dust, dirt, and wear can reduce efficiency over time, so regular upkeep is key to keeping your inflator running strong. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid place to check out if you're looking to get local contractors involved in home repairs or upgrades. It's like a bridge connecting homeowners with trusted pros nearby. For contractors themselves, it's a great platform to find new gigs and build their client base without all the usual hassle.